everybody, good afternoon. It's Paul and Chinema from Naturally Wondering, and we just thought I'd show you what our Thai Sunday afternoon lunch is. And what we're going to do today is a Thai soft shell crab. We used to cook a lot. That's what it looks like there. Comes in a packet,
we
a
got
box.
from the market.
Got it from the market. Normally you get about 10 in the box, and it's absolutely delicious. In our restaurant days, it was one of the favourite dishes, or certainly one of mine. Soft shell crab, red duck curry, and the green curry chicken was my favourite. But this one we're going to show you today, just in a series of what we're eating in the caravan. So just come down here. Tidama's chopping up the capsicum, which is an important part of the meal, and the preparation. Tell us a bit about the preparation there, Tidama.
Prepare with a, chop finely chopping capsicum. Red, make it beautiful, and coriander if we have it. But yeah, unfortunately, we didn't have we didn't get the coriander. So now today we just use with the capsicum and garlic paste. So now how we open this crab. Okay, we're not gonna put the whole crab in the deep fry because it's gonna be too thick, too big. Yeah, and it's not gonna cook in the middle. So the thing we do is chop like this, and like this. There you go. This is a little piece. So flour and quite a fair bit of oil.
So I guess we're deep frying it.
Yeah, but the concept of using this fry pan is it's really good fry pan. Get from Coles, yeah. So we don't have to use too much oil in there because it's not stick. Okay, we just wait for 2 minutes. I'm gonna get some red wine.
So we're outside. It's great way to cook outside, and yes, it's a bit of fat splashing around. Good way to deep fry it there.
Here, garlic paste
wow.
and capsicum together. Get things ready. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I like to keep my hand clean. Just taste it first. Right.
These induction cookers are fantastic. They reach really hot heat. You can control it.
Yeah.
We
Don't have to wait too long.
got this on 2,000 degrees. Super hot. This will cook real quick.
It's about, yeah.
Yeah, let's have a little look.
This way.
Let's take a look at how it's going.
Yeah.
We always take a bit of attention to the cocktail. Looks like he's looking now. It's only 2 minutes in.
Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay.
Wow, it's getting golden brown now.
They might think I'm Chinese too. I don't know what they're talking.
Yeah, this group of people came up to consider them as Chinese, starting.
Because we see the cooking outside when
Yeah. It's funny, our first thing we used to give away, everybody used to think Tim was Japanese. Now, the last thing you used to think that he's Chinese, so...
maybe as I'm getting old, so my eyes getting smaller.
Nobody ever thinks he's Thai. Oh, that's great.
That's
hot.
It's hot, yeah. You like to try some of that?
Yeah, I will. Wow. Look. It's a bit burnt as well. But I'll tell you what, you can't smell it on the camera, but it just smells divine.
Crunchy on the outside
Look at this.
and soft inside. You can eat the whole thing.
Yeah, so it's what a lot of people aren't aware of, that it's cocktail crab. You eat the whole crab, everything. I saw it sitting chopping it up earlier. And, oh, you eat everything. People used to just take on the flesh out normally at the first 2 weeks.
See the leg? Oh, it's crunchy hard. Yeah. Really nice and crunchy. That one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Another one. Yum. It's good on rice too.
Yep. Wow, look at that.
Alright, now is the capsicum. You don't need to put too much oil because oil already in crab. So you go start with the garlic. But if you can find the fresh garlic, by all means, it's even better than the garlic paste. Yeah, this is the recipe from my Thai friend Aunt. Thank you, Aunt. I used to work with her in her restaurant. She is the #1.
Yeah, I remember. This is what encouraged us to set up a Thai restaurant from scratch. The cooking was unbelievable. Cinema's cooking was
Thank
always.
you, Aunt Cook. Yes,
Yeah.
they're very good cook. They're very good cook. That's it. Normally when we use the gas stove, we do this. We throw it in the air and make it crunchy, but we can't do this with this one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I reckon we got it done.
Yeah.
Let's plate it up and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all ready to eat. Plate it up.
So this is steamed rice.
Tin rice, jasmine rice.
Hot rice. Yeah. Hot rice. And just put on the top little bit of crab, little bit of capsicum, and you can eat with the tomato sauce or chili sauce, whatever you like.